guys, I'm hiding from Doodoo so he doesn't see my dress yet.
Wow.
Hey guys, rate my dress out of 10. I'll put my rate on the screen. Wow. Okay, we're just waiting for Doodoo to join.
All I'm gonna hear is this.
And this.
I'm so tempted.
Oh my god, oh my god.
I'm so eager to join.
And this.
Baku, I'm joining.
Guys, I can't look. Guys, I can't look. I'm hiding behind this. Bleep!
Behind?
Yeah! I almost saw Doodoo in the corner of my eye. But I replied. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Don't.
I'm gonna turn around.
Baku, I can hear you breathing. You're really scared.
There's just a tornado out my room.
That's not a banana, that's a chicken. I just realized, guys.
Can I look now?
Yes. Your wings grew in, Baku.
That means I'm a man.
Hey.
I'm gonna get Hitman. This is my victory dance. I promise to give you a dog.
Oh my god, Baku! This really
I don't know.
Let's hear my vows. Insert the sad music and rain. I have loved you since day one. Ever
That's what a vow is.
Ever since we made that first Baku Gamer video where you said
They're gonna say me.
where we made the Bok Bok baby. And when I birthed the Nicholas egg and we raised it, and then it ran away and became the Phia. And like when we went on that day and we almost got bombed by the Phia. Wow, Baku, we're having such a great day.
Bum bum bum. No. Oh my gosh.
When we rode off in the sunset after that music video, and when we got almost kidnapped but ended up in the hospital, and then started doing backflips everywhere and singing the chicken wing song. And I'm just really grateful that you're my Baku buddy.
Wait, let me restart my vow.
Okay.
I loved you since the first day we made a cake.
Woo!